Carving out your niche, a path to specialization. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an incredibly useful and inspiring phrase, carving out a niche. This term is not just a phrase. It's a powerful strategy for success in both personal and professional life. Understanding it can unlock new opportunities and paths for growth. So, let's explore what it means to carve out a niche and how you can apply this concept in your own life. The phrase, carving out a niche, is a metaphor that combines two key ideas: carving, which means to cut or shape something with care or precision, and a niche, which refers to a comfortable or suitable position in life or employment. When we put these together, carving out a niche means creating a specialized segment or position for oneself that is both unique and fitting. It's about finding where you excel and positioning yourself there strategically. Why is finding a niche so important? In a world filled with competition and diverse talents, having a niche allows you to stand out. It means you found an area where your skills, interests, and expertise can shine the brightest. This doesn't just apply to business or professional life. It's also about personal fulfillment and doing what you love most efficiently and effectively. Carving out your niche isn't an overnight process. It requires self-reflection, research, and experimentation. Here are some steps to guide you. 1. Identify your strengths and passions. Reflect on what you're good at and what you love doing. 2. Research the market. Look for gaps or areas that are underserved that align with your strengths. 3. Experiment and learn. Try different things to see what fits best and refine your approach based on feedback. 4. Build your brand. Once you've found your niche, work on establishing yourself as an expert or go-to person in that area. To bring this concept to life, let's look at some examples. A graphic designer specializing in digital illustrations for children's books. A teacher creating an online course focused on learning English through storytelling. An entrepreneur launching a cafe that caters specifically to remote workers, offering not just coffee but also high-speed internet, power outlets, and meeting spaces. These examples show how individuals or businesses can focus on a specific area to meet unique needs or interests, setting themselves apart from the competition. Carving out a niche is more than just finding a spot in the professional world. It's about discovering where your passions and skills intersect with what the world needs. It's a journey of self-discovery, market understanding, and strategic positioning. We hope this video has inspired you to start thinking about your own niche and how you can carve it out. Remember, the most successful niches are often the ones that are true to your unique self. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in your journey to carve out your niche.